Kaseng Congress Meghalaya da Kajing Shimkhia Jong General Secretary ko All India Congress Committee hinne kasi ka shipotri unaila aja arpo kala puloy ka jelang lingba ka video conference Balayashim banta da bon kinong tre party lemba ki MLA ka Congress hakani ka jelang lingba ka video conference Kaseng Congress jong ka Meghalaya kala ekran kumnu ban Pynkhreh ya ka party habaro and Ripotli constituency jong ka jala Meghalaya Vincent H. Pala, MP ke Shillong Parliamentary Constituency, Ulaithu Banakadao ke Jingbamdan Hakamet ke Bakoi ke Bakia, Jong President ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, ke Party ke Larai ban Jit no Unong Aiktian ke Party, Khnang Bo Onla ban Mi Shakhaman, ban Pinsngoi ki Paitba, Halor ke Jingbamla ke Sorkar ban Ai Jing Chikri ki Paitba, Khamta Mile Hakani ke Por Bakhi ke Khlam COVID-19, Uba Pala Ulaithu Ruba Hakani ke Jelang Kablane Adu Arkanta, Lai Kren Rui ke Jing Pynkhreh Election Mla ke Ban Long House Nem Aja Arpulai.
Today we have a Zoom meeting, virtual meeting with all the MLAs, the working president, the president of the NPCC. The initiative was taken by Sdang Pynkhreh, the general secretary of AICC, as well as the secretary of AICC, Victor. So we had a very good discussions. I told them that everybody spoke, especially amongst the MLAs, spoke very eloquent and with sentiments, and the MLA has spoken mainly how to revive the party. Before we start the meeting, Faloro has set the agenda. The agenda is mainly for reorganizing the party, especially in those areas where we don't have MLAs. Out of 60 seats we have, so as now you know that we've only 19. 10 from here and 9 from Karawals. So wherever there are MLAs, we don't have much a problem in organizing the party. But wherever there's no MLAs, I think we do have a problem. So the sitting MLAs pointed out that we should revive the party, and at the same time we should put more emphasis to the PCC president to work. But I told them that very unfortunate, the mother of the PCC president, Dr. Celestine Londo, had undergone a hip surgery, so she is not well. I personally has gone twice to see her, and I met him. So she's still not very in a good condition and not a very stable condition. That's why the president of the party, Celestine Londo, is not in a position to come to the party office very often. So most of the time he stays in Umsning. So there's no doubt some of the MLAs feel restless that no, the PCC should give more statement in the COVID time. The present government has failed in many areas, so the PCC president should come forward. But the president said because of the personal problem he cannot come, so now we'll reorganize properly and we'll appoint the spokesperson. In line, and then the AICC General Secretary Sdang Pynkhreh said that we must have a roadmap. Prepare for the 2023 election, we must have a roadmap in line working together the CLP as well as with the PCC, with the working MPs, Bajems and me. So I think we are working on that line.